Dear children, let us start our class. Today is Tuesday. I think that you have done your all English work. Then now let us go the next part of the story. Then yesterday we know that Radha's uncle invited them to go to the short trip, that is picnic, and they went to the bank of the river Yamuna. And while Radha was reading the book, sitting in front of sitting on a rock, and Aman, Benjit, and some other friends walking towards her. Now let us go. Hey, let us go into the water. It is cool and inviting, suggested Benjit. Oh, goody! What fun! Aman shouted. They wore their swimming costumes. Soon, all of them were in the water, shouting and laughing and enjoying themselves. Radha watched them wistfully. A little beyond where Ranjit, Aman and their friends were playing in the water. The current was very swift. Radha saw Aman very near to it. Aman, don't go beyond that big boulder. The current is very fast there, she warned. Don't bother, Radha. We all know swimming and can take care of ourselves. Aman replied carelessly. Radha felt sad and went back to her book. Dear children, we know that now we are all of us are studying in the English medium class. So I think that English, you must learn the English through the English. So unfortunately, I am not using the Malayalam when I am taking class, so it is not good for you. First of all, you may just try to follow me and try to hear my voice, and while you are watching the video, you must keep your dictionary if you have the difficult words in it. I know that some words are difficult. If you want to recognize the meaning of the words, you must refer your dictionary. Okay, let us go. Here, let us go into the water. It is cool and inviting, suggested Ranjit. Ranjit said, it is cool water. Now let us go to the water. We can swim in the water. It is cool water. Yesterday I told it is a crystal clear, the white water. If anybody saw this water, all of them are wish to swimming in the water. So Ranjit said to her friends, my dear friends, let us go to the water for swimming. Oh, goody, what fun! Aman shouted. They wore their swimming costumes. Soon all of them were in the water. All the friends, Aman, Ranjit, and other friends also wear the swimming suit, also wear the swimming dress, and they went into the water. It is a goodie. What fun! They were excited while they saw the water in the river. Soon all of them were in the water, shouting and laughing and enjoying themselves. Dada watched them wistfully. Dada didn't go to the water because he has no swimming dress. They are shouting. They are shouting and laughing. All of them are laughing. They are enjoying their life. Dada watched them wistfully. Dada watched it. Dada was so interested. Radha was so interested to swimming the river, but she has no swimming dress in her hand. So the Ranjit and their friends went to the river. Aman also went to the river. They are enjoying. They are shouting. They are calling out. They are very excited while they were swimming in the river. A little beyond, where Ranjit, Aman, and their friends were playing in the water, the current was very swift. Radha saw Aman very near to it. A little beyond, where Ranjit was a little beyond. Ranjit was away from them. Ranjit was away from their friends. Ranjit was going into the deep of the water. Aman and their friends were playing in the water. The current was very swift. The flow of the water was very speed. The current was very swift means the flow of the water was speedy. So Radha saw Aman very near to it. Aman was crossing. Aman was swim close towards the uh, current or the speedy water. Radha saw it. Radha said, Aman, don't go beyond that big boulder. Aman, don't go there. It's a beyond a big boulder is there. Big boulder means big stone are there. You can see a big stone. You don't go there because the speed of the water was fast there. The flow of the water was very fast there, so you don't go there. Radha summoned the Ranjit to come near to her. She warned her. She wanted, Amen, you don't go there. Don't bother, Radha. We all know swimming and can take care of ourselves. Radha, you don't worry about it. We all of us are a good swimmer. We all of us know how to swim. You don't go. You don't bother about. You don't tension about it. You don't troubled about it. You don't worry about it. We know that how to swim. We are. We all of us are know how to swim very fast. So you don't worry about it. Dada felt sad and went back to her book. Radha felt disappointed because Aman did not hear her voice. So Radha felt disappointed and she take her book and she took her book and she just read the book again. Please listen it. Question number 8. Radha was concerned much about her cousins. How do we know this? Radha considered their friends much about her cousins. How do we know this? Radha considered them. Radha considered the friends. Radha liked him. Radha liked her friends. Radha liked her cousins. What sentences show that Radha was considered the friends much more? What is the sentence shows that meaning? Radha liked them, their cousins. Radha liked her cousins. Radha considered them very much. So, which sentence shows that Radha considered his as cousins much more? Please find out that sentence. Already I told you it is an English class. We all of us are always going through the as an English class. You must listen my English words, and after some days you will recognize what the teacher is saying. You don't bothered about. You must catch it, no doubt. Please follow me carefully, and while you are watching my class, you just keep your dictionary with you, and you may find out the meaning of the difficult words. Then have a nice day. Okay, thank you very much.